Okay, question B. Again, we're just gunning through it. So skip to the bits you need, pause as you need it. This PDF is on our website. So square root 3 times square root 75. At first you feel like, well, we're going to multiply this in. But before we do this, we said that our strategy was we've got square roots. So let's find the biggest square we can find that goes into each of these. So square root 75, well, the biggest square I can think of that goes into 75 is 25. And it goes in there 3 times. Minus, okay, 192. Biggest square that goes into that. I don't know, now I feel like I might need the calculator. Ooh, doesn't need to be that big though. Let's just pop it up there and go, 192. Now, I'm going to shift back to go, 2 to the 6 times 3. So, what is 2 to the power of 6? 64. There we go. That was quite useful to find that 64 was a number. So I didn't think, 16 goes in there. 2 to the 6 is 64. So 64 is our biggest square that goes in there and seems to go in there 3 times. Now, it feels like it would be useful if both of these had a 3 in it so that it would cancel nicely with that square root 3. So I don't want to kind of lead you down the path of, try and second guess how the question was asked. But it's like not a terrible idea either, right? To kind of maybe guess at 3, because if you had gone there 192 divided by 3, 64. Hey, it happened to work out nicely. If it didn't, that was 10 seconds. And 10 seconds well spent, I reckon. Okay, so square root 3. 5 root 3 minus 8 root 3. That actually works out quite nicely because I think it's worthwhile simplifying the bracket first. 5 minus 8 gives us minus 3 root 3, gives us root 3 times root 3 is 3, so minus 3 times 3 equals minus 9. Of course, every chance that I made a mistake somewhere there. Because it's not algebraic, we can actually just at least check. Now this can be a scary thing because it's all very well if with a bit of luck we got this right, but perhaps not. So I'm sitting here nervously typing this in to go, okay. Doesn't mean all our steps were correct. We could have made an error somewhere along the way and our errors compounded to happen upon the same number as the answer. But it's like a mini feeling of satisfaction that probably was right. I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. There we go. Next one's going to be C.